Sir, do you saw my slides?
There is no slide display. Yes.
Now?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, sir? Okay, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes. Yes, sir. I am starting, sir.
You are supposed to
Respected sir.
within 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Respected all, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. I am presenting my PhD progress report. My PhD topic is studies on effect of antibiotics and herbal extract against nosocomial infection caused by microorganism. Introduction. Everybody knows that nosocomial infection is a infection caused by hospital dismanagement. It means that whenever we admitted into the hospital due to the hospital dismanagement and hospital healthcare worker and hospital environment have admitted whether instrument, if they are not cleaning or they are not taking proper sterile, then we can cause the infection. These infection are caused by nosocomial infection. There are types of nosocomial infection: is catheter associated urinary tract infection, central line associated bloodstream infection, surgical site infection, and ventilator association pneumonia. The microorganisms are responsible for causing the nosocomial infections are generally E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Enterogenous aeruginosa, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Candida albicans, Acinetobacter. And few viruses are also responsible for cause of nosocomial infection, such as hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus, and some fungi such as Aspergillus and Candida albicans and Cryptococcus neoformans also is responsible for nosocomial infection. And recently in COVID, we know that mucormycosis is also one of the cause of nosocomial infection in few countries. Then methodology, I collected all the samples from Pole Hospital, Jintur Road, Parbhani, Maharashtra, under the guidance of Dr. Sudhakar Polesar, MBBS, MD. Then I go through for isolation. For isolation, I use different types of selective media such as hichrome agar, McConkey agar, blood agar, eosin, methylene blue agar, mannitol salt agar, crystalline lactose electrolyte deficient medium, that is clade. Then we got few isolate are for causing nosocomial infection such as E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Enterococcus species, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Klebsiella pneumonia, Candida albicans. We identify Enterococcus species, then we confirm that that organism is Enterococcus aerogens. Then we confirm by Vitek, then 16S RNA sequencing. After that, we also register our isolate in NCBI. We got also number of NCBI. Then I also tested few antibiotics. Those are available in market, generally widely used for the treatment of hospital infection. These antibiotics are ampicillin, ciprofloxacin, ceftriaxone, nucleic acid, ciprofloxacin, tetracycline, erythromycin, trimethoprim, olfaxin, vancomycin, amikacin, gentamicin, and levofloxacin and chloramphenicol. These antibiotics are widely used for the prescription and by doctors for the against gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Then I also tested these organisms against herbal plants. We know that our country is very traditional to use herbal medicine for the treatment of or treating the various diseases till today. Generally हम अभी भी still herbal medicine की तरफ जाते हैं because they have good result as compared to allopathic. Then in that we use kadipatta, that botanical names are given in bracket: kadipatta, srivati, jestmad, avda, methi, tulsi, ashwagandha, harda, karela, neem, beda, and belpatra. These herbal plants are collected from the different part of with the observation of botanical friend. These are the results. I found that these antibiotics are against, we give a laboratory number to each antibiotic. DP1 is E. coli, DP2 is Staphylococcus aureus, DP3 is Enterococcus aerogens, DP4 is Pseudomonas aeruginosa, DP5 is Klebsiella pneumoniae, and DP6 is Candida albicans. This is the antibiotics, and the Candida albicans is not in this. Next slide will be there, and we matches the our zone according to CLSI and ECAST, and said that which antibiotic is sensitive, which antibiotic resistant. Generally, we show that the maximum antibiotic are the sensitive to the our isolates. these are the MIC. We also go through the minimum inhibition concentration by according to the CLSI and ECAS. We use these antibiotics. All antibiotics are the lyophilized forms. We make a dilution, and according to the assay, we perform the MIC. These are the result of Candida albicans. We found that the voriconazole, caspofungin are the fluconazole also have good result, whereas ketoconazole and itraconazole are the resistance to our isolate. The MIC of antifungal also we perform. We saw that MIC of voriconazole, caspofungin, fluconazole, and itraconazole and ketoconazole. These all are azoles, and one are the echinocandin group antifungal drug is tested. And after that, we have published our papers in Scopus Journal. These are the all the progress of my research from last 6 months. Only thesis is pending, submission is pending. Thesis writing is also going on. Thank you, sir.
Topic is open for discussion. Are there any questions?
I hope that a very nice work he has conducted, and right now we people are facing for such kinds of problem in this field. So that definitely his work may be helpful in future. So Manwar sir, do you have any question?
No, I don't have any question. Okay. Shiva
Okay.
sir?
I have very small question, please. You have taken the collection of sample from only a single hospital from, I think, Jintur or something you might have quoted.
Yes,
Is there any such collection of sample from various localities of Marathwada region or from different districts like this one?
No, sir, because that hospital is a super specialty, sir. They have so many different wards. So I collected only one sample from only one hospital from different ward, ICU, semi-ICU, male ward, and one more is the door handle sample collected from handle of the door also.
Must have the collection of some kind of a sample from a different hospital, at least from one city.
Hello.
I do agree with Kagne sir that the sample collection should have been done from different hospitals or different locations.
Yes. That I'm expecting.
Yes, sir, I agree with sir. But if I am collecting from different hospital, then isolation number will be increased, sir.
So that is very important part in research. Though the number is increased, definitely you may get something from that huge number.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. I keep this in mind in future study, sir.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Now, Mr. Ramprasad Harkal, are you ready?
Oh, Shiva sir, do you have any
Thank you, sir.
Shiva sir is unmute. Shiva sir is having any question?
I have one small question.
Yes, please. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, what do you see at the end of your? What is your hypothesis? Can you just clarify that? This is it means I know that I am asking.
Sir, I saw that
yes, please.
In metro cities, sir, herbal and medicinal plants are not used. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes, please.
Sir. Sir, harda that and methi and avla and satavari having good results, sir. And we also know that in corona last from 1 year, we still use traditional medicine to cure the corona, and for precautions and prevention also. For prevention also, we take some herbal medicine from corona, sir. That's why
Hello, Datta. I think you are not got the question of Shiva sir.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you, where do you see the light of your research? At the end of the research, what you are going to conclude? Means, what is your hypothesis? Your null hypothesis.
Sir, I concluded that few herbal and antibiotics having good activity against against nosocomial infection. This is my conclusion, and synergetic action having good result against nosocomial infection. This is also.
How will you prove the synergistic action? Because laboratory studies will not support the results.
Exactly. That was my line of thinking.
Yes, sir. But on ground level, I concluded, sir. I studied, sir. I know that ki for this we want to make a use.
Listen Datta carefully. What the question that have been asked by Shiva Aithal sir, that what kind of a hypothesis you have put it, and as per the quotation of your hypothesis, and as you have gone through this your research work, whether this hypothesis, I mean, as per your quotation of hypothesis, whether you have got the result or not.
Yes, because I think,
Yes,
sir, I would like to add that in line with Kangne sir said, there is a huge lot of statistics involved in your research, which should be variable with respect to variations, not only in sample collection, but also testing your hypothesis at various level and various levels of significance, which I don't see it happening. So that was my small query. Of course, this is a progress report, not a presentation
No
for
issues, sir.
completion.
I keep in mind, and whenever I meet you, I will discuss with discuss with you, sir, also, and I will try to clarify your queries, sir.
Yes, okay, no issues. But that is my question. Means I see that there should be some correlation, whether it is correlating or regretting your hypothesis. That was my query. Okay, thank you. That's all. We can continue as there is a lack of time. I would wish to continue with the
Okay,
next
sir.
presentation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.